Okay, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Haven't moved any of the pieces, so you can go back and get an idea of where was what, or what's where. This is obviously the side. I'll pick up a few, show you. Some of the pieces are only small, but quite nice and bright. It's a better piece, bright crystal. That'll be the back. Bit undulating, but bit of carving. Little pieces like this amongst it. Solid opal, I think. Anyway, that gives you a bit of an idea of what you're getting for your money. Hopefully you enjoyed.